What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, what's up? So as you can see from the title, today I am going to be basically reevaluating my life, because if you guys can see what I'm looking at, it's not a pretty sight, and I'm just overwhelmed with everything. So basically I'm going to just be not really deep cleaning my apartment because I already did that, but just organizing it. And yeah, basically that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys around and just show you everything that I gotta do, and then I'm gonna get to it because my room's a mess, the kitchen's a mess. I just moved in, so I just need to get everything situated. So don't judge me, y'all, because yeah, my friend just hung up on me. I don't know why, but it's dark right here and I'm in front of the ring light. I don't know why. I should have did the intro right here. But yeah, before we get into that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. And yeah, we're on the road to 1K. So yeah, make sure you do all of that. And let me know what else you guys want to see. Alright, so let's just get into the video. Alright, you guys, so we're going to start from the door. Put the light on. Basically, should I show you guys my closet or no? Nah, I'm gonna show you the before and after if I get to it. Basically, this is what we have right now. It's not that bad. It's a bag of clothes that I gotta fold and put in the drawers under the bed. But yeah, that's how that's looking. Walking in, we have a bag of clothes that need to be hung up from when I moved out. So that needs to get done. Need to do an unboxing video. Made some lip glosses. Need to wash them off because they're still a little sticky. And take product pictures. And then organize like my business stuff over there. Because as you can see, the drawers are like open and all that. And that's basically it for here. It's not that bad like I said. I mean, in the beginning I was probably exaggerating, but that's that. I'm gonna take the phone and I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen. So walking out here, trash that I need to take to the dumpster. Don't know when I'm gonna do that, but it has to be done. Basically it's not really bad. Like I really thought it would be, but I just gotta wash these dishes because I brought them back with me, and I don't know, I just feel like I need to wash them even though I washed them before I packed them. Got some bananas. I need to wash this too because my clean dishes are going on it. And then I ate, so I need to wash my dishes. And then I'm just gonna wipe the counters down and stuff. Made some eggs, I need to wash that. And oh yeah, I need to sweep the floor. Well, sweep this. We don't have a dustpan, so yeah. That's basically it for now. I mean, that's basically it. Like, it's nothing really major. I just don't feel like doing it, but I gotta do it now because if I don't, I mean, either way it has to get done. I feel like either way it has to get done. I gotta do it. So I picked today to do it because I also need to post content. So yeah, I'm gonna start in the kitchen though because I don't want to wash dishes, so I'm gonna do that first since I don't want to do it. And yeah, so let's just get into, I think I already said that. So let's just get into me washing these dishes and organizing the kitchen. Alright, you guys, so basically the kitchen's done. Just gotta take those to the dumpster. But everything looks nice and clean. So now I'm about to attack the room. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I've really been sitting down here for almost an hour just chilling, watching YouTube videos and all that, because I really don't feel like cleaning my room. Because it's gonna take a long time. I mean, it's really not gonna take a long time. All this stuff is on hangers already. I just gotta hang it up. But I just don't feel like it. Like, I really don't. But I guess I'm gonna try. I got some tater tots in the oven. I wanted to make some breakfast, so when those are done, I'm just gonna make some eggs and maybe some bacon. I don't know yet, probably not, because they're still in the freezer and I ain't feel like taking them. I ain't take them out, so I'm probably not gonna take them out. The struggle is real, and it's 3:21. You know, it be getting dark at like 5 o'clock, so I have an hour and a half to actually do what I want before it gets dark, because when it gets dark I just don't be feeling like doing nothing. I just be more unproductive than I usually am, even though I don't really be productive. But let me show y'all the situation. So it's all this stuff right here in the closet. So I'm just gonna set up the camera. I don't think I'm gonna put the ring light on, because it's kind of feeling this natural lighting right now. So am I tilted? And I put the heat on, y'all. It's cold. I usually don't have the heat on, but it is freezing and I don't like wearing socks. So yeah, I feel like this is okay lighting. I might put the light on. Let's see. I don't like that. I might keep it on. Alright, so now I'm gonna hang up some stuff. You guys, so I'm back. I'm just here to show y'all the end result. I kind of got excited, and just did the rest of the room off camera. But here you guys go. So right here, I just have a trash can, humidifier, some perfumes I got, and the letter A for my middle name. banana, all that. Got my carpet. Then I have the bed. Got my laptop and just my throw blanket. Took the TV down because it was broken. So that's my little desk area. I might get a new TV because it just looks naked right there. Got my lash bed over there and just like, you know, my little cabinets, laundry basket under there. Did a little organization. That's still down there because it's like, I gotta clean it. Then I got the mirror right here. And on this side, I just have another desk and some lotions and perfume and a little, I don't know, like a little box to put stuff in, that pink box right there. So this is an overview. The bathroom didn't need to be done. Closet, not gonna lie, I got a little lazy, so half of it looks good and the other half is looking like, so yeah. But right now I'm really trying to fix my LED lights just to connect it to my phone so I can, you know, use it. Other than that, this is the end of the video. My friend's about to come over and cook, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. On the way to 1K, like I said in the beginning. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see down below, and